Thanks for being with us today. My name is Cindy Speaker. I have with me today Attorney Winslow Butts of Gardberg and Kemmerly. Winslow, as always, great to see you. How are you?
Good to see you. Thank you for having me. It's good to be here.
Good to have you here, and you always give us great information. I appreciate that. I just want to mention, I was telling you that I've looked over your bio, and I really love all the type of work that you've done. You've advocated for people dealing with domestic violence, other types of things. And what I love about Gardberg and Kemmerly, and you epitomize it, is your firm. Everybody that works in your firm cares deeply.
Right.
It's very genuine. And I've worked with you, talked with you over the years, gotten to know everybody in your firm, and there are people that care deeply, and I appreciate that. So I know that what you're going to tell me truly comes from the heart. You want to get the word out because you want to help people.
Right, we do. Yeah, we're here to help the people that are usually less fortunate than us, that possibly do not know what they're eligible for or what benefits are out there.
Yeah. Well, we're going to talk about Compassionate Allowances Program. So why don't you explain to us what this program is and tell us a little bit about it.
The Compassionate Allowances Program was developed by Social Security for the people that have these really rare, aggressive illnesses that would obviously meet the disability requirements. It was developed in order for them to kind of speed up that system. So instead of getting benefits in months, it potentially could only take days or weeks. So it's an expedited program for people with very serious illnesses.
Okay, and what kind of proof is needed? How would they go about applying?
Since the process is expedited, they really just need proof that they have the disease or the cancer or the illness that's required in the list. I believe there's over 100 different illnesses that qualify. Okay. And so they just need to have proof from their doctor that they do qualify for that, and they should get their benefits started pretty quickly.
Okay, and share with us some of those conditions that may qualify for this benefit.
Some of them, the more aggressive cancers, such as brain cancer, esophageal cancer, pancreatic cancer, also ALS, Huntington's disease, or even just needing a heart transplant, all of those qualify for the Compassionate Allowances Program.
Okay. And you mentioned this could happen very quickly.
It could. Normally when people apply for Social Security disability, it can take months because they have to get your work history, they have to get records from your doctors. So this is supposed to expedite the process. You just have to show that you have the illness, and then Social Security can get you the benefits that you need so that way you can focus on treatment, not have to focus on waiting to get your benefits started.
Yeah. And another question is, what do you find? Do you find that people are aware of this program? Or how do you make people aware of this program?
Most people are not aware of the program. Social Security is supposed to catch that if somebody has this illness, they're supposed to see it. But I would just tell people to go and look at our website and look at the list of illnesses that do qualify. That way, if they do have one of them, they'll know that they fit under that, or call us and ask us if they have one of the illnesses that is on the Compassionate Allowances list so that their case might be expedited.
Okay. And what can you do to help them? How can you assist with this process? Because as you said, these are serious illnesses. They really cannot be all involved with a lot of paperwork here.
Right. And so we can get their medical records. We can communicate with Social Security. We can kind of take all the steps that they need to do and do it for them. That way they can be focusing on treatment while we can focus on getting a letter from their doctor or contacting Social Security, just to make it easier for them to navigate the process. And hopefully the process will also be faster.
Excellent. Well, as I've said before, if somebody is watching, someone in this condition, I know I have a friend that has cancer right now, and some of these illnesses may qualify for this. It's important to get the word out on that, because having benefits is very helpful. As you know, I mean, you tell us, Winslow, but what do you see when someone has a serious illness? What happens in terms of their ability to make any kind of an income?
Right, because when somebody gets diagnosed with an illness like that, the first thing they do is they stop working. Right. So they don't have, most of the time you have to travel, you have to pay for your doctor's visits, for your medication. So at least if you do qualify for this program, it gets your benefits started. That way you don't have to worry about the financial aspect. You just have to worry on getting better and healing so that you can return to the workforce one day.
Right. Winslow, thanks for this information. Very valuable.
You're very, very welcome. Thank you for having me.
Oh, yeah. To those of you watching, if you have questions or comments, you can leave them on this page. Oh, Winslow, before we go, tell us what's the best way for someone to reach you if they do want to ask you a question or get you involved in helping.
You can reach us at our website is gardberglaw.com, or you can call us at 251-343-1111.
Very good. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. Bye now.